Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing the part 1. It's going to be, part 2. It's going to be, pretty short. It's only going to be a few minutes. I'm sorry with that. Sorry if you hear the background. But I'm going to see if I can, I'm going to see if I do some stuff. Any mobs in here? Oh, that's a creep. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be a bit sneaky right now. I don't know if there's anything. Is there? Whoa! Okay, guys, ready? Oh! Come on, man. Come on. You know match for the awesomeness, man. Oh! Knocked into the water. Oh, you want to fight me, hey? Here, let me go get my sword. Actually, I don't have one. Let me fight you. Ha. Oh, you want to go in the water and fight, hey? Oh! Creeper does not see me.
You really need a bed.
Yeah. Guys, that's Route Gaming. Like I said, my brother. Okay, that's enough for a sword. Let's get back to my base.
You need a door, you know.
Oh, shoot. There's a skeleton right there, guys. Oh my, okay, I gotta eat. Guys, I basically have to go right now. I'll make a sword and stuff. Cause my hunger's gonna die. So yeah, I'll basically, see you in the next one soon. I will, yes, I will. I don't know how you do this. Okay, there we go. Made one. I'll make sticks now. Oh, that's how you make sticks? Oh, okay. Actually, I have to use my crafting table for this. I have to walk from now on until I get some food. But that is okay because I don't care. Yeah. Whoa, okay. That was a really bad glitch. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty short. I'm so sorry. I didn't waste my time till my dad calls me down. But yeah. Comment down below what I should do in the next video. I'm sorry this one was short, but I did say some were gonna be short if you saw part 1. Yeah. I broke something. If you did join this video, I would hope if you subscribe. I'm not like Preston Plays, or Lachlan or anything, but I am not bad. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. Gets my hunger up. See, I can run. Hey. Okay, I'm actually gonna walk. I'm gonna shift. Whoa, da. Comment down what I should do in the next video. Okay, I didn't know that came out so fast. Yeah, I'll probably, part 2 might be just a tiny bit short. It's not my opinion. It's basically, don't let that zombie get over to me. I hate zombies. Zombies are ugly. Hey. Oh, there we go. That's good for now. Guys, like, hey, yeah, I'm sorry about this. My bro and dad are up here, sorry.
So all I want is this one, right?
Dr. Archer,
What?
it's time to pause.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry if you're here talking. It is okay.
1.7.10.
Okay, creepers are still out. Right here, I'm probably gonna quit. I'm sorry if you're here talking, but yeah. I'm pretty sure. I guess, yeah. I guess I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. I forgot. Leave a like and subscribe. Unsubscribe to Ryle Gaming 87. See ya.